remember? You don't remember? Do you remember them doing the block in your neck? You do?
I don't remember after that.
That's
Ow.
good. What's wrong?
It's squeezing my arm.
What is it?
Taking a blood pressure right now.
Oh,
it takes it every 5 minutes.
It's just checking your blood pressure. Does your shoulder hurt? Or are you good? Good. You're not supposed to. It's good that you can't move your fingers.
When did I fall asleep?
I don't know.
Where's Matt?
He left already. They're all gone. He came out and saw me after, and he said that you did great, and Dr. Durson came out and told me how the surgery went. You had a tear on the labrum that they fixed. What's wrong? Oh, your booty's coming off. You want this back on your foot? Why are you shaking? Are you cold? Do you feel cold, sweetie?
Move my fingers.
Honey, you're not supposed to be able to move your fingers. Because remember how they gave you that nerve block? Quit it. Just relax.
Not me.
It's okay.
I don't feel me shaking.
Finally.
I don't know why I'm shaking.
There you go. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Good boy. You don't have a mask anymore. Remember the mask? They tell you to breathe in and hold. Remember when they gave you the shot of the happy
No,
juice?
it was just on. The mask was just on.
But Bree, do you remember when they gave you the shot of the happy juice? And then you start before they did your neck? Did it make you feel funny?
A little bit. But it didn't make me go sleepy.
No.
Are you cold or are you shivery?
I don't know.
Okay, the shivers are from the anesthesia wearing off your system, so it's very normal. I'm going to bring you a little bit of medication through your IV to help those go away. Okay? It'll make you a little bit drowsy, but that's okay. I'll be right back. It's very normal.
Why you're shaking?
It's her medicine, but she's going to just try to calm down. She'll give you something that will make it stop.
I'm not.
You're not
nervous.
No, you feel good?
It's over.
Yeah, it's over. You still feel tired a little? She said you're going to feel that way through the rest of the night. You'll be tired, so that's good.
Where's your man?
You've got your gown on.
You're slipping on my arm.
Yeah, you've got like a big sleeve ready.
It's true. Like, what, am I in trouble because I didn't do it to you?
You're not supposed to move your fingers.
It is true. I won't be glad to do it if you don't talk. The shivers are from the anesthesia wearing off the system. It's the way your body reacts to anesthesia. So a little bit of Demerol usually takes them right away.
Nothing like Demerol to take care of the shakes.
I'm not going to stick you with anything. It's going to go in through your IV. I just have to use a needle to draw it out, though. No, I'm actually going to use a fork back here to kind of dilute it so you don't get nauseated.
I feel like you're cold. Is it normal for her face to do that?
It's very normal. The shivers are from the anesthesia wearing off your system. It's the way your body re-regulates the temperature area of your brain. A lot of people wake up shivering, especially teenagers, for whatever reason.
Really?
Teenagers wake up like that more than anybody else. Oh, very normal. Happens every day here. I'm actually going to use one further back here, except it's kind of caught underneath you here. You are all wrapped up in your stuff. All right, that'll help it.
Closing room 3, closing up the emergency room.
And I'll grab you another warm blanket.
Okay, you had enough video?